My name's Benjamin Gunn and I am studying the Diploma of Paramedical Science. Just wasn't too sure about my own academic abilities. So I thought, well, if I do the diploma first, then I can gauge from that whether or not I'll be comfortable with doing the bachelor's later on. And now that I'm most of the way through it, I kind of feel that I'll be able to do the bachelor's, and also I was thinking of doing the dual degree and maybe doing nursing as well. Yeah, keep my options open. I did my workshop 1 and then I was deemed not yet competent, which was quite a blow to my ego, as you could imagine. And I went home, regathered my thoughts, and I came back and then was like, right, I'm going to give this another shot. And then come back and I felt like I smashed through the workshop 1 on my second attempt. I've really enjoyed the friendly environment that it's provided to come here and do my training and things like that. All of the trainers have been very helpful. They're always approachable. Christy, she's a bundle of knowledge. You can ask her any questions and things like that, and she's pretty much always got an answer for whatever you ask her. I've been working with a company called EMT Medical Services in the Sunshine Coast, and they've been really good at facilitating my placement hours. Definitely seen a lot of different cases, trauma, medical cases. It's been really exciting to just go through that process of doing, actually working with medics and paramedics, and it just makes the whole experience really enjoyable.